Okay, all of you see, it is visible? It is visible? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Snehal, multidimensional matrix. Okay. Up to next page, we having program of Gauss elimination method. Okay. Okay. All of you see the screen? Yes.
Ma'am, blur
All of
still.
okay. Okay. I will size increase it program.
मॅम ग्रुपवरती जो प्रोग्राम सेंड केला ना तो
Yes. Yes.
मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ
Yes.
मॅट्रिक्सचा
Yes.
प्रोग्राम.
Nehal, up to next page, we having a program of Gauss elimination method. Okay. Right now, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. If you want to repeat in Gauss elimination method, yes. Already we will see the example of theory session. Yes. Yes, Nehal. All of you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Now, what is our program? Uh, all of you open your example, mathematical example first of all. Okay. All of you open it. Example of Gauss elimination method. Then we'll start our explanation of a program. Okay. Uh, See program in Gauss elimination method. Okay. Write down hash include studio.h. Insert header file into a program. Okay. Hash include studio.h. Hash include math.h. And hash include studio.h. Why it is used math.h? Because of our function use it function. In C program we will use function, mathematical function. That's why we will use it math.h. Okay, header file. And next one, hash includes standard library.h. Okay, and then standard library. Why it is used? If you are not used, don't use it. But it is used it hash includes standard library.h. Okay, in your choice. If you want to insert it standard library.h, it is okay. Okay, then hash define size 10. Yes, if your program execute before hash define size 10, it is executed. Okay, next our start our main function. Okay, and float a of 10, array row 10 and array size 10 10. Okay, row i's value 10 and j's value 10. A of 10 10, two dimensional array. Okay, a of 10 10 and float. All of you listen carefully. Our our initialization is floating point. Okay, and then our output also in a floating point. Okay, and then x is x array of 10 and ratio. Okay, x of 10 means what? Our value, equation's value. Okay, and then integer I j a comma n. Okay, it is a counter variable. It is initialization declaration of counter variable. Okay, and then read number of matrix, read number of matrix, printf, printf enter the number of matrix, okay, and scan a address of n, means how many row and how many matrix if you want to print. How many matrix? 3 by 3, 4 by 4. Yes, this is matrix for your choice. Okay, and read augmented matrix. Augmented matrix means what? How many rows if you want to insert it into a matrix? It started from I is equal to 1. Okay, then I less than n and I plus plus. Already we will discuss it before the yesterday session. Okay, next yesterday week. Okay, then for I j is equal to 1, j less than is equal to n plus 1, and go for it and scan the address of I and address of j, means print it your value 3 4 5. How many if you are inserted? 3 4 5. One row, one column. If you want to insert 3 inserted, okay, and then apply Gauss elimination method in this program. Okay, in Gauss elimination method, first step. What is our first step? Anyone tell me what is our first step in Gauss elimination method? What is our first step? All of you, Gauss elimination method. What is our first step? Create triangular matrix 0 0. Okay. Yes. That's why we will take it. Apply Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method for I is equal to 1. I less than is equal to n minus 1. Then I plus plus. Here is I is equal to 0, 0.0. Yes, it is floating point 0.0. Yes, they're having I row and I column. Having 0, no. Yes, then it will be 0 occur in I row, first column. That will be occur mathematical error. Yes, if you are not inserted 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it goes to for loop. It not goes to if I row, I column is equal to 0, comma, dot 0. Yes, it goes to for loop. Okay, and it executes the for loop for j is equal to I plus 1, j less than is equal to n, same is j plus plus. Okay, and row ratio is equal to right now first step. What is our first step? Ratio find out करायचा है. What is our ratio? Ratio means our initialization. First of all, initialization. If you want to take it R, it is also okay. Okay. Ratio is equal to A of J. A of J means J column. J column and I row. Okay. And then A divided by A of I, E of I means row. Divided by row. R2 divided by R1. Okay. Then for K is equal to 1, K less than is equal to n plus 1. Then K plus plus. In our second step. What is our second step? Means inverse matrix. Perform inverse matrix means perform the matrix R2 minus R2 divided by R1 and R2 divided by R1 into R1. Okay. Then your first matrix is 0. Okay. If you perform all the matrix, perform it triangular matrix 0. In our first step, we will perform it 0. Okay. Then again go for substitution. Okay. And then again go for substitution and perform the matrix operation. X of n is equal to A of n, n plus 1. Then divide by A of n, E of n. Okay. Then for I is equal to n minus 1. Then I greater than is equal to 1, I minus minus. Okay. And then perform the same operation. Perform it here. Okay. What is our second step? Perform R3 divided by R1. Okay. and perform it right now. We will see it here. X of I, x of I, x of I divided by a of I. Okay, array I row. Okay, then we will see the solution. Display the solution. What is our solution? Perform a of I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, then perform it operation and then printf x of percentage d is equal to percentage 0.3 means our floating point. Okay, and our output also in floating point. Okay, x of 1, x of 2 equation. Okay, and our output x1, x2 value. Okay, in 3 matrix, take it 3 matrix, 3 by 3. Okay, and then insert into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and our output is x and y. Okay, in our theory part. In our session right now, we will take it x1 equation 1 and x2 equation 2. Okay, and return 0 and semicolon and a closing bracket. Okay, r for row 1, 2, 3 and R1, R2, R3, J1, 3, 1. Okay. Then first we will see R2 divided by R1 and then our second step R3 divided by R1. Here is it. R3 divided by R1. Okay. In here, we will see the third step R3 divided by R1. Okay. We will see the practical demo also in yesterday week. If you want to right now, we will perform the practical. Yes. If you want to right now, we will also see the run your program. Okay. We will see the right now practical. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will see the practical. I will use it. Use it online editor. Okay. Okay, we will see the directly because of already we will discuss in yesterday's week. Okay, and right now we will see directly program. Okay. Okay, we will see the program output. and here is out perform the mathematical function. Okay, first of all, write it into comment because of for your understanding you will see the R2 divided by R1. Okay, where is it? Yes, new operation really. Okay, and run it. All of you see the screen. See the screen. It is visible.
Yes,
Code
yes,
visible.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Um, right now it is visible. Right now it is visible. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then start from online editor. Write down Google online GDB. Okay. In your go through Google online GDB online C editor. Find out all menu all of your different options. Go for it into online GDP. Okay, if you are not having mobile space enough space to install app Turbo Droid, go for online editor and you do it in a program. Okay, online GDP. We will perform the program hash include math.h hash include standard library.h. Okay, full form standard library stat lab function dot header file standard library. Okay, and math.h means mathematics.h. Okay, we will perform the divide operation r2. Here it all of you see here ratio dot is equal to a of j a of I divided by a of I. Next one we will perform a of jk. It is means inverse operation. Okay, all of you know about inverse matrix. Okay, and even perform only mathematically. Okay, did not know in C program only mathematical function you should be understood. Okay, and then obtain solution. Back substitution. We will perform the inverse back substitution. Yes. Then we perform x of n is equal to a of n plus 1 divided by a of n. Okay. Then we will perform back substitution. Then we will perform perform for operation once again. Okay. बॅक सबस्टिट्यूशन करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला पुन्हा एकदा आपल्याला इनवर्स फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करावं लागेल फॉर आय इज इक्वल टू एन मायनस वन आय ग्रेटर दॅन इज इक्वल टू वन ओके and then we will find the triangular matrix 0 0 0 in our first step z value. Okay, next one y value and x means x value. Okay, all of you see the screen? Yes, and run it. First run it. Okay, all of you see the output. Yes, output is visible. Yes, enter the number of matrix. I will use it only two. Okay, a of 1, a of row 1, column 1. Why it is row 1 and column 1? Because of our our uh, for loop started from 1. Okay, I is equal to 1. Okay, that's why we will take it, enter the number of matrix 2, only 2 a of row 1 and column 1 and 3. Okay, next one take it 4. Okay, next one 6. Next one row second 6 7. Next one 8. Okay. Okay, what is our value? Why it is floating point? Because of our initialization and declaration in float. Okay, in our output is float. That will we will also output also initialize. Okay, that's why it will be output also. Output is floating point. Okay, -3 and -4. Okay, all of you see the screen. Uh, Zoom it your screen. That's why you will see the output. Okay, zoom it your screen. Okay, Snehal, Swapnil, all of you zoom your screen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will Gauss elimination method practical is over. Okay. Then we will take it Bayesian method. All of you know it Bayesian method. Yes. All of you know Bayesian method. Yes or no? If you know it,
No, ma'am.
no. Okay. Then we will next practical Bayesian method. Then we will take it Newton-Raphson method because of Bayesian method is important. Then you will be know about what is our method, what is equation. Okay. It is in Gauss elimination method. It's also equation. Okay. But in C program, take it matrix form. Okay, 3, 4, 6, 6, 7, 8. It is our equation. Okay, all of you take first three row. It our first equation, and second equation is 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's like okay. If you are having any doubt, Gauss elimination method, ask me. Theory part. What will be over it? Theory part. Second chapter is over. Snehal, Swapnil, Sanket, Nikita. Second chapter is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Bayesian method theory part is over or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay. After a theory part over, then we will start our Bayesian method program. Okay. All of you clear it. Because of Bayesian method theory part is over, then we will start our program. Okay. Bayesian method, Newton-Raphson method. Okay. In lab manual, only this part is not remaining. Newton-Raphson also required and Bayesian method. First of all, we will see Bayesian method, then we will see the Newton-Raphson method. Okay. All of you see the screen, lab manual screen. It is visible. Okay. We will see the Gauss elimination method. Okay. Take it three matrix, three equation. Okay. And then we will perform first R2 divided by R1, and then second step we will perform R3 divided by R1. Okay, subtract it, and then we will perform triangular matrix 0. Then what will be our output equation? A1x plus b1y plus c1, and inverse of b 2y plus inverse of c 2z. Okay, and then we will got it our three equation x y z. Okay. Yes, if you want to see programming explanation once again, yes, yes, okay. Take it 5 minutes. Tell me Gauss elimination method. Anyone having any problem? Swapnil, Snehal, Nikita. If you are having any problem, tell me Gauss elimination method. Yes,
No, ma'am.
okay. Only Snehal reply me. One, one another student also reply the question. Sanket, Sanket, Swapnil, and I will say I will send you in group program file. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Program file. Then next program is Gauss elimination method. And also we'll having a Bayesian method, but don't do Bayesian method. Okay, I will not send you Python method, only Gauss elimination method program. Okay, go through it. If there are any doubt, ask me and perform the practical because of Monday. Monday having having says I will send you one Excel sheet, Google form. All of you perform Gauss elimination method. Okay, day after Monday, yes, Monday I will send you one Google form and you perform the Gauss elimination method. Okay, and perform. If you want to perform online GDP, take it screenshot and send the Google form. Okay, add into Google form. Okay, if you write it program in page, it is also okay. Okay, not necessary to do it in online GDP or right now, but if you want to do it in your hand, go through practical, do it sincerely and send me into Google form. I will all of you, I will again tell you, I will check all Excel sheet. Okay, all is your response. Okay, all of you, only Snehal and Sanket and Swapnil, all of you do it practical and send the Google form. Okay, don't miss it. If you have missed class, it's also okay, go for YouTube and check it, see it into Google for YouTube. Okay, then submit the Google form. I will check all of you. Okay, first experiment, second experiment, third experiment. Okay, anyone having any problem, Sanket? Where is Sanket? If you are having any problem, tell me.
No, ma'am.
Okay. In Bayesian method, and tell me only logic. What is a Bayesian method in mathematical? In mathematical, you know it, Bayesian method. M3 also over it or not? Right now in B M4. M4 or M3, Snehal? In your syllabus, Python method is here, M3?
In M4, ma'am.
No. Okay.
M4.
M4, yes, yes. M4, they're having Bayesian method and Newton-Raphson method. That's why we will, over it theory part in Bayesian method and Newton-Raphson method. Then we will do it practical. Okay? Okay, all of you? Any once again, I will tell you. Then after we'll start explanation of program. Uh, do it in your mathematical expression first of all, and go for it. And I will tell you program. Okay, program right now we will tell you. Then you need to have a mathematical example. Okay, all of you know about it. I will tell you Gauss elimination method, and then afterwards, and I will not tell you next program mathematical expression. Okay, what is example? All of you see my screen? No or yes? Wait for a minute. Colors. Why? Yes, yes, presenting. Okay. Okay. Next afterwards, I will not share you for example in mathematical. Okay. Enough for it. Or tell also mathematical example. Your choice. If you want to explanation in mathematical example and then program, it is also okay. But my suggestion is that already we will cover in theory part. Then we will start go through program directly. It is better. Give me reply. Then we will see the program. Okay. We will see the right now only one session in Gauss elimination method. Okay. In bissection method. What is a bissection method? Don't know? Then theory part will be cover it in your session. Okay. Now all of you go for program. I will send you in group. Okay. Okay. If you are having any doubt, ask me. Take it 5 minutes. Yes, all of you. Anyone having any doubt? No. Then all of you cover theory part sincerely by session method and Newton reaction method. Okay? And then we will see the program. In one session, we will take it two program. Okay? I will right now, we will clear it. Okay? In two program, we will session one cover it. Okay? Take for it bissection method and Newton reaction method. Okay, we will cover it in one session. Okay, if you are having any problem, ask me because of only C programming basic. If you are having matrix, only matrix operation, not having any single ones another operation perform it right now. We will see only matrix operation. All of you see multi-dimensional array And inverse mathematics. Already inverse matrix. All of you know about mathematics. Okay, mathematical inverse matrix. Okay, and then we will perform it operation Gauss elimination method, and only we will see the R2 divided R1 R2 divided by R1 multiply R1. Okay, and then we will back substitution and go for substitution. A of n plus 1 divided by a of n. Okay, and then we will perform back substitution, then we will perform for operation once again for a of I is equal to n minus 1. Okay, and then all of you see here, we will start our matrix A I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to n. Okay, then we will matrix started from row A of I and column A of I. Okay, and print it address of A of I and J. Okay, row and column, and then apply the Gauss elimination method. Yes, then we'll perform directly for operation. If you not do it here, this operation, it is enough. Okay, then for j is equal to I plus 1, j less than is equal to n, then j plus plus. Okay, then we will perform the ratio, find out the ratio. First of all, we will take it row to 0. Okay, then R2 divided by R1 in your first matrix. Find out in first matrix. Then we'll perform in second matrix. Then second matrix, take it once again. Then we will 0 0. Occur in 0 0. All of you see the first, second matrix and then third matrix. Okay. And then we will find out our original value x1, x2 equation. Okay. Enough. This is enough for it. Okay. And do first of all multiplication of matrix, then perform the Gauss elimination method. Then you know it what is multidimensional, and then perform it Gauss elimination. If you perform multidimensional matrix, multiplication of matrix, then go for Gauss elimination method. Okay. Okay, we will see in this session only Gauss elimination method. Okay, perform it. If you are having any problem, tell pick me. Okay, send me WhatsApp group. Okay, write down your roll number, name into chat box, and don't leave the session because of not having. Don't leave the session. Write down your roll number, name into chat box. Okay. All of you, division A. Anyone having problem in Gauss elimination method? Take it 5 minutes. Tell me if you are having any problem Gauss elimination method. Yes. Anyone having any problem in Gauss elimination method? Yes. Yes. If you are having any single one problem, tell me. because of if you are enough, I will not waste a time in write down one by one line. If you want to acquire one by one line execution and write down the step by step program, or right now we will see the program, it is enough. तुम्हाला बरं म्हणजे हे वाटतंय का की एक 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 लाईन टाईप करायची आणि एक्झिक्युशन करून दाखवायचं हे बरं वाटतं का असं एक्झिक्युशन केलेलं डायरेक्टली बरं वाटतंय what you want to because of here it is run your program already I will run it and do it program started before start your session if you want to line by line writing and then you have to explain the program then we will perform it okay it is also perform the before they started the session okay स्नेहल तुम्हाला काय वाटतं लाईन बाय लाईन राईट करून इथे एक्झिक्युशन करायचं का असं बरं वाटतंय तुम्हाला because of I don't want to go for enough time. That's why we will take it directly program execution. Okay, Snehal, what happened? Sanket.
मॅम मला वाटतंय की टर्बोसी मध्ये प्रोग्राम लिहून लाईन टू लाईन एक्झिक्युशन करून दाखवलं तर चांगलं होईल.
Okay, okay. I will go for it. Turbo C say C plus plus. Okay. Online GDB. If you not enough to online GDB, yes. Because of you are not visible okay that's why you if you want to go for turbo c okay go for it turbo c7 okay and then perform it the operation okay gauss elimination uh, take it gauss elimination option we will perform Bison method and Newton reaction method in turbo c7 okay okay for it I will go for Gauss elimination method, but I will go for first of all Bison method and Newton-Raphson method, and then we will perform Gauss elimination method in Turbo C. Okay? Okay. All of you write down your roll number, name into chat box, and go for program. Okay? And already I will send you into group program okay program of cost elimination method go through it and check it if you are having a time enough time go for this and do it program okay and next afterwards we will perform the program in turbo c okay don't worry in Bison method and Newton Raphson method I will cover it 1 hour okay because of connected program will be connected each other in Bison method same program in Newton Raphson method they are having no any change but they are having some of the mathematical operation will be changed okay and then we will continuously see the two program once one at a time okay 1 hour okay and don't miss in session Sanket okay don't miss the session because of Dyson method is very important and Gauss elimination method also important okay all of you write down your roll number name into chat box and don't let the session because of that time is not over. Yes. If you are having any single one problem, don't understand this part and this part. Once again, I am telling you, tell me right now. We will clear your doubt. Okay? All student, don't Snehal and Sanket. All student, if you are having any doubt, ask me right now. I will clear it. Okay? And then we will perform next onwards in Turbo C. Okay? Shraddha. Okay. If you are having any problem, tell me, okay? And next afterwards, we will take it Bison method and Newton-Raphson method, okay? In practical, having this, okay? And see, interactive session व्हायला पाहिजे. All of you take it participate because of in your in onwards in this onwards practical only mathematical, okay? If you are easy to understood. In C program only implement mathematical function in your mathematical example. Okay? Then it will be easy to understood. Okay? And then take it 5 minutes. Tell me what is your any doubt. Ask me. If you are having any single one doubt, ask me. Okay. I will go for a program in Turbo C7 in next week onwards. And if you're having any problem in Gauss elimination method, and also if you're having first experiment onwards, if you're having any problem, go for program, do it program, and tell me if you're having any problem. Go for Gauss elimination method because of even in your mathematical operation in started from onwards, and it is important for you. Okay, it is important for you Gauss elimination method, Newton-Raphson method, and Bison method. Okay. Only I will convert it in C program. Okay. I will not do anything. I will convert it into C program. And what is in our C program output? It only see in this 2 or 4 program. Three in this onwards program. Okay. In our remaining program is 7. I will completed it 3 program. Okay. In our syllabus 10 program, remaining 7 program. Okay. All of you write down your roll number name into chat box. Yes. Okay. Having good day. Having good day. Okay. Okay. Session is over. Okay. I mean, good day, and session is over.